This per unit system. In this video, we'll learn about per unit system, or often called per unit representation of different electrical quantities in power system analysis. This video will be the first video of upcoming series of power system analysis subject in electrical power engineering. So, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and sharing it with your friends. Per unit system is the representation of electrical quantities. It is actually the representation of different electrical quantities with respect to a common value. That common value is called a base value. So, for example, if we have 15 and we want to convert it to a per unit, then we must have a base value first. By selecting any base value, uh, we will then use a formula which is per unit is equal to actual divided by base. So the actual value is 15. We have 15 actual value and we selected 100 as base value. So it comes out as 0.15 per unit. So this is called per unit value. Now this actual value, it can be voltage, it can be impedance value, it can be power value, any electrical quantity in electrical system. Okay, so why we use per unit system and what is the significance of per unit system? The per unit system is used in power system to convert the values, uh, like as I have discussed mentioned that these values may be voltage, impedance, etc. So it is used in the system to convert that values in a very low, like if we have a higher values, like here the 15 is dropped down to 0.15, so it is easy to calculate 0.15 as compared to 15. It is also used to simplify complex large numerical values. I have written here a note. So complex simplify complex and large numerical values of power system problems into a small values to make calculation easy and less time consuming. Let's look at an example. This is we have two distribution system. Let's say we have system 1, which is in actual values. System 1 have three loads: 1000 kilowatt, 500 kilowatt and 200 kilowatt. So by converting it these all values into per unit values, we only like the values come down to 10 per unit, 5 per unit and 2 per unit. So the base value for all this system, for this whole system, the base value is 100. So 100 by 1000, sorry, 1000 by 100, then 500 by 100, and then 200 by 100. So this will give 2 per unit, this will give 5 per unit, and this will give 10 per unit. So by using the per unit system in power system analysis, we solve the more complex values of any numerical problem of power system analysis, and all these values can then be used to solve the uh, problems of using Newton-Raphson or Gauss-Seidel model. The actual and the basic formula for converting the per unit system is this one. Like if you want to find any value in per unit, so it is by dividing the actual value divided by base. All right, that's it for today video. In the next upcoming video, we will be looking at some electrical quantities and we will convert it to per unit values. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.